Seems like Dudley and Goopy only made one run this morning. The newbie, Chippy. I gotta call him a newbie because he was born in April. He made 2 runs. Chip, Chip! I hear little feet. What are you doing? She's giving herself a bath. Come here. Get up here. Come here. Come on, little girl. Look. Got some real good ones right here. Come on, honey. Look. Look. You're still breastfeeding them chipmunks? The little babies? She's gathering food for winter. At least she's smart. The older chipmunks, they'll start packing them away. Through the month of August and September, they'll run non-stop to me. The new ones, that's another story. I'm a little bit concerned about the babies because they're not putting away stuff, and they'll reach sexual maturity, and the other chipmunks won't have anything to do with them. Matter of fact, they'll fight them. So they need to start putting stuff away, or it's a long winter.